If you're looking for a condo here in BGC na malapit sa airport and perfect for Airbnb and rentals, this video is for you. Hi everyone, again this is Simon, your property specialist from MegaWorld. And on my previous video, I've shown you Uptown Arts. So kung hindi mo pa yun nakikita, check that out. And today, ang ipapakita ko sa inyo is the newest and last residential condo here in Uptown Bonifacio. And ang maganda dito, sobrang lapit niya in Ninoy Aquino International Airport. So only 20 minutes away from here. And this is perfect also for Airbnb and rentals. So yung location ni Uptown Modern is beside Uptown Arts. And ang exact address ni Uptown Modern is 9th Avenue, corner 40th Street, Uptown Bonifacio, BGC. And ang maganda dito, the Uptown Modern is the tallest building here in Uptown Bonifacio with a total of 54-story floors. So andito tayo ngayon sa showroom ng Uptown Modern. And this is the scale model. So this will be ready in 2031. And ang maganda dito, you have a basement and podium parking. And on your ground floor, you have a retail store. And usually, ang nilalagay ni MegaWorld is mga restaurants. And on your 6th floor, you will have the hotel-type amenities. And ang maganda is you have more open space. You have Sky Garden in 14, 27, and 39th floor. And also a rooftop garden in 39th and 47th floor. So sa taas natin is roof deck. And also, this whole building is already a LEED certified. Meaning to say you have a lower cost of electricity and water bill ng 30 to 50%. And also, we have e-vehicle and e-charger station. So now, papakita ko sa inyo yung available units namin for 1 bedroom. So this is a 57 square meter. And tara. So this is your entrance. And in the future, this will gonna be a digital lock set. And upon entering, on your right side, you have your maid's room. And you have a washer dryer. So this is already included. And yung mga clients namin, if walang mga helpers, usually ang ginagawa nila dito is another bedroom or pantry or utility room. And you also have a own toilet and bath. And punta tayo sa kitchen. So this is your open kitchen. And ang maganda dito, you already have a quartz for your countertop. And you have a retractable faucet and sink. So this is by Frank. And you have a 2-burner cooktop and a range hood by Goren Hay. And you have a lot of drawers. And you also have a built-in microwave. And you have a built-in refrigerator. So this is already a 2-door. Okay. So let's go to your living and dining room. So this is already spacious for a 1-bedroom. And you also have a split-type aircon. This is already included. And you also have a direct access for balcony. It's gonna be your balcony. And on your bathroom, so everything you see here is already included. You have a full shower enclosure and also a lot of drawers. And ang maganda dito, so this is already Jack and Jill. So, meron ka ring access to your own bedroom. So, on your bedroom, you have a split-type aircon and a modular closet. This is how it looks like. So, super ganda niya. And, yun lang. So, we have available different unit and sizes from studio, 1-bedroom, 2-bedroom, and 3-bedroom. And we still offer a no down payment promo. So that's 6 years to pay and 0% interest. If you're interested, feel free to message me on my socials. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Again, this is Simon, your property specialist from MegaWorld. And thanks for watching.